Hello and welcome to part 2 of the PubMed tutorial. For frequent PubMed users, it is helpful to set up and use a free My Ncbi account to save your PubMed search information. NCBI stands for the National Center for Biotechnology Information, and a My Ncbi account will work within PubMed and all other databases that the National Center of Biotechnology maintains in partnership with the National Library of Medicine. To set up a My Ncbi account from the main PubMed search page, click on the link at the top right corner that says Sign in to NCBI. Next, the Sign in to NCBI page will provide you with sign-in options. One option is to sign in with your existing Google login information. You can also click on the Register for an NCBI account link, which will take you to a page where you can select a username and password, enter your email address, and set up a security question in case you forget your password and need to reset it to access your account. Once you are signed in to your NCBI account, you have access to several handy features. Let's review each section of your My Ncbi account. The first section is Search NCBI Databases, which will allow you to run a search in PubMed, as well as any of the other NCBI databases that can be accessed using the drop-down menu. If you would like to return to the main page of PubMed, select PubMed from the drop-down menu and click the search button without entering any text in the search box. You will then be directed to the main page of PubMed. The next area is My Bibliography, which can be used one of two ways. You can save citations to My Bibliography that you want to return to at a later time. Or, if you're a researcher that has your own citations indexed in PubMed, you can save your personal research article citations to My Bibliography. You can keep your My Bibliography private, or you can share it with others by selecting Public, then sharing the provided URL with those who you would like to have access to the citations you have saved in your My Bibliography area. The next area of the account is Recent Activity. If you are logged into My Ncbi every time you begin searching, all of your search activity will be tracked for 6 months. This includes each search string that you run, as well as every record that you view in PubMed. To see the entire list, click on See All Recent Activity. From here, you can save searches and review citations that you have previously viewed. In order to save a search, select the checkbox next to the search that you wish to save. Once you make a selection, the Save Search button is activated near the top of the screen. Click the Save Search button. You can keep the default name or rename your search, then click Save. Your saved search should now be visible in the Save Searches area of your account. Just click on the search link to rerun your saved search. You can also set up email alerts in this area. Click on the Geared Shape Settings button next to your saved search. From here, you should see the question, would you like email updates of new search results? Clicking on Yes Please will provide you with options to set up the schedule and format your email alerts. Make your preferred selections and click Save. If you prefer not to set up email alerts, you can still see new articles for your saved searches by clicking on the link under What's New that appears next to your saved search. The next area of your account is Collections. If you are working on multiple projects using PubMed, collections are great tools for separating and organizing your citations for each project. Your bibliography is an example of a collection, and you also have a favorites collection where you can save citations that you would like to return to at a later time. From there, you can create as many collections as you need to match the needs of your research projects. You can keep your selections private, or you can share a collection with a group. Let's take a look at the Rheumatoid Arthritis collection. Clicking on the name of the collection will allow you to view a list of articles that have been saved to the collection. From here, we can click on each article title to view the full title article record and full text links that will attempt to connect you to the full text of each article. The next area of your NCBI account is filters. PubMed has several built-in filters that we will explore further in part 4 of the PubMed tutorial. In order to create your own custom filter, first click on the Manage Filters link. Then click on the Create Custom Filter button. From here, you can create a unique search string and save it as a filter, such as this one designed to capture articles focused on the United States. Once a custom filter is saved, you will see a link in your search results that you can click to apply the filter search string to your search. The last section of your NCBI account is My Ncbi. This section is used as a researcher profile system for individuals who apply for and or receive grant funding from various federal agencies. You may not need to use this section right now, and you can click the X button of that section to remove it from your NCBI homepage. In the next section, we will walk through keyword searching.